In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Calendar with ClickUp. Connecting your calendar to your work hub keeps deadlines visible and reduces context switching. So let's walk through this from inside ClickUp. Start by opening the planner, which is the calendar view in your workspace. You can access it from the area where you manage tasks. Once you're there, you'll see your schedule laid out by day, week, or month. This is the view we'll connect to Google Calendar so your events and tasks can live in one place. Next, look for the settings icon in the planner view. It's typically a small gear in the upper corner. Click it to open options that control how your calendar behaves. These settings are where ClickUp lets you manage integrations, visibility, and account connections so you're in the right spot. Inside settings, select accounts. This section is your control center for anything you've linked to ClickUp, including calendar services. If you've connected accounts before, you'll see them listed here. If not, it will be a clean slate, which is perfectly fine. We're about to add your first one. Now choose Add Account. This opens a list of services you can connect. Think of this as giving ClickUp permission to talk to your calendar so dates and events can stay in sync without manual copying. From the list, click Google Calendar. When you do, a window will prompt you to pick the Google account you want to use and to grant permissions. Select the account that owns the calendars you rely on for scheduling. Approve the requested access so ClickUp can read and update events as needed. If you use multiple Google Calendars, you'll have a chance to confirm which ones you want visible once the connection is established. You can always return to the accounts area later to adjust or disconnect if your needs change. After you finish, give the planner a moment to refresh. You should start seeing your Google events reflected alongside your ClickUp tasks, making planning much smoother. If something doesn't appear right away, try a quick refresh of the page. Verify your time zone settings in both tools match, and confirm you selected the intended Google account during the prompt. That's it. You opened the planner, went into settings, selected accounts, chose Add Account, and connected Google Calendar. With this integration in place, you'll spend less time juggling tabs and more time focusing on what matters. Thanks for watching and enjoy a cleaner, more coordinated schedule.